This is the last episode of the series. As y'all see, last video we did the switches. And now we're doing the keycaps. So I'm about to go ahead and dive right into these. Get some of them on there. I may put a picture on the screen of what it's supposed to look like and stuff like that. And yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching this far. Hopefully y'all watch this episode all the way through so y'all can see the finished product. And I do appreciate y'all as always. Let's get right into it. All right, I'm not sure if y'all can tell what's going on here, but I do have custom anime keycaps. It took me a while to get that one out. I've already installed some of them. I'm still trying to figure out where all of them go. But yeah, they're looking pretty clean right now, I cannot lie. Like, these are, it's about to be nice when I finish with it. I hope y'all are enjoying. This is going to be the final video. It shouldn't be too long because it's just going to be me putting the keys on. But yeah, make sure to leave a like if you've been enjoying so far, watching the process and everything. I do appreciate y'all for watching. And let's keep going. And I think I'm done, y'all. Get y'all a nice close-up. Comment down below if you know which anime this is from. And comment down below if you like the build. This is going to be my first mechanical keyboard build. I have a couple leftover pieces I didn't end up using, but I think it came out pretty dope. As always, I appreciate y'all for like, commenting, subscribing, and all that good stuff. The keyboard is done. I want to keep some of the buttons regular, just so I can see them good, but these are pretty good once you figure out which way they go and you can actually see them pretty good. So yeah, I appreciate y'all. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This is the finale, and we out. Peace.